Today I'm going to show you how you can update your iPhone to the newest 18.4 iOS. So very simple here. First thing you want to do is go to your settings. Once you're inside your settings, you want to go to where it says General. I feel like this is the easiest place. There's multiple places to get to it, but I think this is the easiest. Once you're inside General here, you can go to where it says Software Update. Okay. Now you should, if your phone supports the iOS 18.4, you should see it right here. It'll tell you everything about the iOS. If you want more information about it, you can go to learn more, and then you can either update it tonight or you can update it right now. Now, if your iOS 18.4 is missing and you don't see this, it's probably because of a couple different reasons here. One, it might be because you don't even have 18.3 and maybe you're on a older version. So this isn't popping up right now, and you're going to have to go through and update to previous iOS's. Okay, that could be one of the reasons why. And then worst case scenario, if you're not able to get the 18.4, it might just be because your iPhone is too old that it doesn't support that new iOS. So for example, if you don't have this option right here where it says Apple Intelligence on Siri, then you probably aren't going to have an iPhone that can support iOS 18.4. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.